I said, I'm serious about y'all now. Serious, more serious, because I was playing a little bit of games before, possibly. Hey beautiful people, I am back again with another unboxing. I wanted to, put more effort, put more love, and put more, time into my YouTube channel. So this unboxing is gonna be reminiscent of just that. Let me know what you think as I put together my YouTube studio. So here is box number uno. Okay, so this will probably be like a 3-part video in one. I'll probably like mesh together a couple of different videos because I have a couple of more items that are supposed to come. So I have like 2 more standing lights or studio photography lights that are supposed to come in. I also have my stand for my backdrop. Also, I believe another backdrop. These are supposed to come like next week. The lights are supposed to come today, I believe, like later on today. So we'll just be on the lookout for that. This table though, I like the size. I didn't need anything super humongous. Let me slide it towards me so you can see it. Yeah, I didn't need anything super humongous. So like this is probably for like hair tutorials or like if I'm doing a face tutorial or something like that, or like a routine. I can put my mirror here, put my products here, so like everything will be, like set up for me. But it's a little lopsided. I don't like that. Don't like that lopsidedness. It could also be my floor, but I'll probably like stack a little bit of like cards under the foot or something. Just to make it a little more stable, because the last thing I want is to like have stuff on this table and then it just starts flipping over, falling off. Like, yeah, no, I'm good on that. So yeah, stay tuned because I'm gonna put a couple more videos at the end of this one. And like I said, I'm serious about y'all now. Serious, more serious, because I was playing a little bit of games before, possibly. But yeah, I want to be more consistent for you guys and hope you enjoy. Okay, everyone, so right now my first studio light is set up. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little brighter. I'm already smiling. I'm gonna go ahead and install my second one right now. Okay, so I have both of my lights set up, and as you can see, this little one is very curious. Very curious, that was not nice. Very curious about what I have going on here, and like, Cody, you're about to find out.